quick tip on if you do a lot of milling with any type of material that has resin. This resin builds up on a lot of your rollers and can cause, uneven sanding. So the key to removing resin, especially pine resin, is just regular old rubbing alcohol. It will take the resin off of almost any type of surface. Alright, so this is where we're at on the drum sander. Everything is oiled, all the grease fittings. With this particular sander, there's actually only 4. And then everything else, I oiled all of the, anything that is chain driven. Everything is loose, free. The belt itself, I'm not too worried about cleaning it off. It just has some dust down into the little grooves. But the very first board that I run through there is going to get dusty. It's a sander. So next thing that we'll have to do is just put it back together, and then we'll just make sure that our drums are good and square, and that'll be it. So let's get her back together. Much better. But the next up on our list, we've got to revive this baby. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be taking this thing down and getting her back to working order.